No, if your Etsy shop made less than 10,000 USD, you'll be charged 15% fee for an order attribute. Yeah, wait. Yeah, if it's less than 10K, it's 15%. There you go. There you go. Makes sense then. And if it's more than 10,000, you get discounted fee of 12%. Bro, I think it's wonderful. You're still getting charged maybe 25%. So let's say that fee and the other fees, blah, blah, blah. You're getting charged, what, like 20% to get a customer? Like, that's so good. It's so cheap. It's absolutely ridiculous. What a lot of people don't understand, if you complain about the Etsy fees, you're a moron. Because people that complain about the Etsy fees have never actually run Facebook ads or run TikTok ads or run Pinterest ads. They've never done something else to compare it with. They're just comparing Etsy against Etsy and they're like, oh, that's too high. But it makes no sense because 12% for offsite ad fees is super good. Because if you're selling a product, you have no risk. Let's say you're selling this phone for £30 on Etsy, right? And they're going to run that on Instagram, Pinterest, Google. Where else do they run? They run a couple other places as well, but these are the main ones. I've seen my own products on Instagram, and they're going to run that, and the max you're going to pay is what, 15%? Like £4.50. So add it up, yeah, £4.50 to advertise and get a sale for this. You have no risk as well. Whereas if you was to go list this on a Shopify site, run Facebook ads, it's going to cost you way more than £4.50 to get a sale. Like, it's going to cost you double, if not like triple that. Like, Facebook ads and shit are expensive as fuck. Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.